Hey guys, we've got a 10-minute upper body workout with weights today, and this video is part of my Fittober challenge. You can find the full schedule on my website and you can do this workout with or without dumbbells, so don't worry if you don't have any equipment. Before we start, I just want to let you know that I've recently dropped some merch on my website, so check it out. We've got some shorts, joggers, tanks, crops and crew necks, all very kawaii, so check it out. Smash that like button and let's get into the workout. We've got 16 exercises in this upper body workout, 20 to 40 seconds on and 10 to 30 seconds off. Have your dumbbells by your side and we're gonna start the workout with Arnold press. Stand upright with your core engaged, palms facing in, then press and turn outwards and then press up. Make sure you're using the right weights. It should be quite challenging for the last few reps. Ten seconds rest now and we're moving on to lateral raise variation. Raise one dumbbell up to your side laterally with the other forward in front of you, bring them back down, then alternate the other direction. Go nice and slow and make sure you're raising it high enough but not over your shoulders. "20 seconds rest here, so put down your dumbbells if you want to shake off those arms. Give it a quick rest and we've got bent over row next. With a slight bend on your knee, bend your upper body forward as far as you can, dumbbells to the side and raise your elbows as you do a back row. Make sure your back is straight and your core is tight. Nice work guys, 10 seconds rest now and we've got bicep curl variations next. Dumbbells to your side again, palms facing forward, then do a bicep curl, then lower it down slowly, then do a hammer curl with your palms facing your thighs. Make sure your upper arms are stable throughout. Work your biceps.
Got what's good, I had to say goodbye. I'm gonna let it go. I'm trying to hide what's behind my eyes.
20 seconds for you to rest up now and we'll move on to the same 4 exercises. Let's do it.
And I don't think I know myself. I'm going crazy. I'm trying to think of someone new, doing things I shouldn't do. I don't think I know myself. I don't think I know myself.
Let's do this again. Palms facing in, turn outwards as you press up and make sure you're engaging your core too.
Now I try to tell myself if I let it in, I let it. Yeah, I have my feelings, I've been so high, now feel so. But I try to tell myself if I let it in, I let it go.
You're doing great guys! Short rest here and we'll move on to lateral raise variation. Take it nice and slow, make sure you're focusing on your delts here, your front delts and your side delts.
Someone else doing things I thought would help, and I don't think I know myself. I'm going crazy. I'm trying to think of someone new, doing things I shouldn't do. I don't think I know myself. I don't think I know myself. Cause I won't let my feelings show. I've been so high, now feel so.
Put down your dumbbells for a quick rest. Bent over row is next. Keep your core tight and your back straight as you row. We've got a longer 30 seconds rest coming up soon, so don't give up now.
and I let it go.
Ten seconds rest here and we'll move on to bicep curls variation. Keep going, we are almost done with this set.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
Great job everyone, put your dumbbells aside, 30 seconds rest. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest.
All elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alright, we're past the halfway mark, so less than 5 minutes to go guys. We're starting again with push-ups, so get in position on your mat. If you're struggling with push-ups, just do them while on your knees. It's okay, you'll get stronger over time. Grab your dumbbells again and we've got renegade row coming up. Drive your elbow back one at a time and make sure you keep your core engaged so you're not swaying your hips too much. Nice work guys, now stand upright while holding your dumbbells. We've got rear delt fly banks. Stand with your feet hip width apart, push your hips back with a neutral back as you bend over, and now raise your arms to the side and lower them down slowly as you work your upper back and your rear delts.
Cause I'm climbing up this hill today. I just gotta get him and I'm coming up to stay. I ain't really about to sit to the side. I just gotta do it, man, and say no way that you just gonna make it happen. I tell them, oh wait, yeah, wait and see, cause I will do it. I will just be great, cause I come here to put my mark, my stamp right down. Man, I just gotta
Place one dumbbell down and we've got tricep extension next.
swim. I ain't gonna drown, cause I've been moving up and I just came to shut you down. Like,
Make sure you have a firm grip of your dumbbell. Carefully raise it behind your head like so, and we're going to do some extensions here. Keep your upper arm as stable as you can and focus on your triceps.
I came to shut y'all down, that's what I do. I ain't really about to listen to the doubters.
Great job guys, you got this. Place your dumbbell aside and we're gonna do the 4 exercises again.
For the kids that sit in school, yeah, right now they've been thinking that they hate it, man. They want to go and quit, want to do just nothing well. Yo, listen to me, kid. You can do it.
Let's start with push-ups. If you can't do a regular push-up, just get on your knees. It's okay.
Go and hit that target. Go and hit that goal. Just even when it's dark, you can get this all. Go and hit this target. Go and hit this goal. Just even when it's dark, you can get this all. Hey, yeah, you can really get it if you want it, but you gotta go and chase. Yeah, every single day, this is sweat and tear up on your face, but you just gotta
Nicely done. Now just like before, we've got another renegade row again. So bring those dumbbells back in and drive your elbow back one at a time. Make sure you keep your core engaged too.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick.
20 seconds rest here. Final 2 exercises. Stand upright with the dumbbells to your side, and we've got rear delt fly next.
They got is a quick change, so we like a NEFFEX. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me.
Make sure your core is engaged and your back is straight.
So we like a NEFFEX. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me. Born in the darkness, fight for the light. If this ever die, I'ma fight for my life.
Place one dumbbell down, and the final exercise is tricep extension. Focus on your triceps here. We're almost done.
So we like a NEFFEX. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me. So I'm up above the clouds. So I can't see the ground. So I ain't coming down.
That's the workout, guys. You did it. Hope your upper body is feeling that burn, and make sure you do a cool down and some stretches, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!